Ba-dum-bum-bum. In this video, I'm going to show you why every creator that is doing good things on Instagram is using ManyChat, how to get it set up for a beginner. And we're going to make it really easy because it's very powerful and people complicate it. So we want to make you lean and rich with your one-person business. If you don't know me, I'm Leland. My wife and I run Sarah Beth Yoga. We've got a seven-figure membership, and I teach the strategies that we use in the operator room, which is a Skool community that's free. You can apply for it if you would like to join. It's for solo entrepreneurs to get better at social media acquisition to build their businesses online. There's a link below this video. And in this video, I'm going to teach you guys about ManyChat and how and why to get started. First of all, what is ManyChat? If you haven't seen ManyChat before, we'll hop over and show you an example. ManyChat is a software that tells people to comment and they will get a link. And so you can use ManyChat to people find you on Instagram, get them on your email list, or find you on Instagram, get them in your Skool community. So it generates leads and weaponizes Instagram. So it's a really, really important tool. For my wife's business, we have a bunch of free challenges. So here's one of the ways we use it, right? Comment, bam, get my bare ass minimum yoga challenge. And you can see one here. Where did the rest of the comments go? Oh, there's a bunch more comments in here. There we go. Yeah, so we got a bunch of people that are commenting here that are joining our yoga challenges, which gets upsold to our membership. And so if you're on Instagram, everybody's using ManyChat. And so there's two ways you want to use it that I'm going to show you guys in this video. And this is a new, relatively new ManyChat account that I started. So the two important ways that you want to use it is you want to use it as a comment bot. So when people comment on your posts, then they get a direct message and you can send them a link or send them wherever you want them to go. So the first way is going to be a comment bot, and the second way is to say hi to new followers. So these are the two that almost everybody should have. So the first one, so the say hi to new followers is very self-explanatory. When people follow you, they get a direct message from you that says, hey, if you like my Instagram stuff, then you love my email list or you love my free community. And so this just turns every follow into an opportunity to grow your business. So if you are putting in work on Instagram, then it's important to have this because as you get more followers, you can actually monetize those followers a lot quicker and easier. And so when you get that set up, you just go to automations and then you'll do new automation. And then I already have one set up, but so it might not be on here anymore. Respond to your DMs, generate new leads with grow your followers, comment followers, follow first and freebie, run giveaway. Man, they got a bunch of stuff here. These are all great. What we want to find is say hi to new followers, grow new followers. And I might already have this set up, so it's probably not, might already be here. Let's just take a look here. So here's my say hi to new followers. I don't have it set up for mine yet because my account's too new. So let's go over here. Automation. So say hi to new followers. So we have this right here. People join and we say hi to them. And we tell them I'm a bot, but this is the message they get. So again, before they would follow you and they would never hear from you. Now they follow you and they hear from you right away. And it just says, hey there, thanks for following me. You're now part of the SBY community. I'd love to share my most popular yoga challenge with you for free as a special thank you. Do you want to check it out? Then they click yes, send it over, and then we send them the link. And so the reason why this works is because the alternative is they follow us and they get nothing. So it's a huge opportunity. People were really excited when they rolled that out. So that's the first way, is you need to be saying hi to your new followers. And then the second way is you need a comment bot. So auto DM links from comments is where you're going to go. So you go to automations, new automation, auto DM links from comments. So this is when you post on Instagram, you can say comment poop and get a free guide of how to poop better if you're in the bathroom industry. Or comment yoga, get a free yoga sequence. Comment ads and get my ads templates. And so you always want to have these call to actions that say comment this so you can get them in your DMs, so you can get them to your paid products. So auto DM from comments. These are super easy to set up. You just connect your Instagram. It says right here, when someone comments on, so what do they comment on? You can do any post or reel. So that way you don't need to do this every time. And then you just choose whatever word you want them to comment. So like you can say comment free, right? And you'll get a free carousel. That's one of the things I offer, right? So comment free. Hey there, so excited that you're here. So excited that you're here. Thank you for your interest in a free carousel. Click the link below and I'll send you the link in just a second. So then what happens is they have to click this link in order to opt in. It's essentially an opt-in. And so the first message that you just get them to click the link, and then the second message you say, here is your free carousel, or whatever the free offer is. And so this is what it'll look like. Here's your free carousel. Click the link below. And so this is what a basic ManyChat thing will look like. They comment, they're going to get their intro offer. They're going to click the button, send me the link, and then they're going to get the free thing. So it's super easy to set up. It takes 5 minutes. There's a link below to ManyChat below this video. But if you're on Instagram, you should at least have it rolling, and you should have those two functions. You should have say hi to new followers. So when people follow you, that they actually hear from you, and you have a chance to get them where you want them into one of your paid programs. And you should have a comment bot. So when people comment free or access or whatever word you want them to comment, that you can now weaponize Instagram. People find you on Instagram, they comment, get to your DMs, and from your DMs, you get them wherever you want them to be, whether it's a Skool community or your email list. And so that's ManyChat in a nutshell. There are way more sophisticated ways to use it, but from a bare ass minimum and a solo entrepreneur, if you're running a one-person business, get this set up. It can help you monetize tremendously. If you want help, you can join our Skool community, the operator room for solo entrepreneurs to learn social media acquisition and scale to 6 or 7 figures. ManyChat is a great opportunity, so give it a try. Link below this video. Join the operator room if you're looking for help building your one-person business, and hope this was helpful.